our channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes.
Make sure you like, comment, share, turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video with food and laughter, you will receive it. Also guys, give this video a thumbs up for this Jamaican feast we're about to devour.
If you have nothing good to say, don't say anything. We're going to say grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen.
I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. This is our first video for the new year.
Yes, yes.
And we are happy to share our Jamaican dinner with you.
And what is the dinner?
Babe has brown stew pork and I have curry chicken. And we have rice and peas.
No, I did not make a New Year resolution to stop eat pork.
That was definitely not in the mix. Okay.
I want to taste it first before I get with you guys. Oh, I'm drooling already.
Ooh, steaming.
Yeah, guys, baby making Jamaican rice and peas so good. It be off the chain.
First bite goes to you guys. This doesn't have any meat in there, but this is some sauce and rice.
Oh, good. The pork is so good.
So I want to wish you guys a happy new year, and we also want to recap 2021. And as you could see, we did make some changes to the channel. So welcome to the new version of the channel. I think occasionally we might be making updates, but we're not sure, as it is a new year, and with every
Change is good.
Yep. With every new year, there has to be some change. So,
Don't be afraid to change. Baby, this is really good.
so comment down below and tell us what your highlight for 2021 was. Baby, what's your highlight for 2021?
I have so many, but if I had to choose, it would be my growth.
That's a good one. What about it exactly? Personal growth? Spiritual growth? Mental?
Growth on a broad spectrum. Spiritual, mental, emotional. How about you? I have two-part question. What was your highlight and what was your not so good time?
Oh, okay. Well, you should answer that one next. What was your not so good time? But my highlight for 2021 has to be, likewise yourself, I think it has to be growth, but more so realizing what I need to work on. I think that was my highlight for 2021. I kind of understood more of what I needed to work on myself
Uh-huh.
and what I needed to change and what needed to improve. So I think that was my highlight for 2021.
And not and not so best time.
My not so best time is or was realizing that certain things is very, very, very hard to change. Like extremely hard. No matter how much I try, it's like, gosh, I'm not making no progress, right? Because in 2021, I said I wanted to make friends. And I made zero progress on that in 2021. So I think that was my downside for 2021. What was your downside for 2021?
Downside. Whoa, let me think. You know, even though you told me that you was gonna ask me,
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even think about it.
While babe is thinking, comment down below and let us know what your highlight for 2021 is and your downside for 2021 is.
Well, okay. My downside for 2021 was seeing my son leave every time.
Well, what about it? Because you would think you'd get used to it, though.
Right. But you know, when somebody has been in your life so long, it's like you're cursed with your handbag, the pennies that you keep in your purse. He became that.
Mm.
So even though, yeah, I'm used to it, it's not the norm. Frankly, I don't ever think it's going to be the norm.
I could understand that.
Mm-hmm.
He became a habitual accessory.
Yes. But I do believe in exploring the world, so you gotta go.
Do you want any more rice?
No, you're done. I'm gonna take that in. Thank you, baby.
Juicy.
Mm.
So good.
Mm. So, but other than you said 2021, Happy New Year. Happy New Year's, guys. Happy, happy, happy wherever you are in the world. Happy New Year.
Indeed. I hope you had good weather for the new year because I know the weather has been crazy lately.
Baby,
Yes.
look how in sync we just move. You put your hand on the top, I put my hand on the bottom, it just flow. Just me was good, baby.
So you would say you have no New Year's resolution?
No, never. First of all, this is what's gonna happen. I'll tell you right now. I'm gonna make it and then break it. So whether I break it now, a week, 2 weeks, some month down the line, you know, so I just wing it. What about you?
I try not to I do make it internally. So I do have things that I think that I want to do for the year, but it's more internal, so I don't bound myself to do it.
Mm-hmm.
So I have it like in the back of my mind, like, okay, so I would like to get this done for the year, but there's no time limit to it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's the best way.
Mhm.
Because you know, you're gonna put like March 12th.
Mm-hmm.
And March 12th, first of all, March 10th, you realize
You
that
haven't even
know
started.
and now you're racing, making split decision, impulsive decision just to make the goal. And then when March 12th comes, you don't make that goal,
Disappointment sets in.
you're like, shit.
So,
That's good, baby.
yeah. So there's no deadline. It's just an overall. You need to work on that.
Mm-mm. This meal was so good, guys.
Guys, don't forget to like this video. Mm. Don't forget to comment down below and let us know what was your highlight for 2021 and also your not so good time for 2021.
This was so good. No joke. It was so good. Okay guys, while babe is still eating, don't forget to comment down below and tell us what your highlight was for 2021 and what was your not so good time. But just remember that your not so good time in 2021 taught you the lesson of what not to do in 2022.
There you go. That's a good way to look at it. Whew. That food was absolutely delicious. We do thank you guys for joining us today, and again, a happy New Year, and I hope 2022 is the best year yet for you guys, and you accomplish everything you want to. Thank you guys for joining us. Thank you guys for always supporting us. Thank you guys for always watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to like this video. If you made it this far, don't forget to comment down below and tell us what your highlight for 2021 was and what was your not so good time for 2021. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to the now new and improved TNJ Eat and Talk.
Until we meet you again, until we see you again, have a good time, have a fine time, have a jolly time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life. It will light it up. Bye guys.